everybody. So here I am with that next video. If you haven't seen my previous 3 videos, make sure you do go back, or maybe it might be 4 by now. I'm really working on helping you guys get some little tips on how you can change different habits and really bring that good feeling and momentum in your life so that you are actually striving towards and attracting those things that you really desire in your life and how you want your life to change. So today I want to talk to you about, last video or one before him, whichever, I talked to you about getting that momentum moving forward. And if you work on it every single day and you work on just positive things that you like, things you love to do, and you're just constantly thinking about that, it'll get that momentum really moving. And the more you do it, the faster it moves and the more good things will come into your life. Now, I've noticed this with all my clients and myself as well, that when we go ahead and we're just charging along. We're like that locomotive, man, and nothing's going to stop us, right? We're just charging along, and, clients are coming in. We're getting fantastic customers. Everything's being signed on, and we're helping so many people. Our jobs are new. Boss is treating us wonderful. Gave us a raise. Everything's fantastic. All of a sudden we start to do this. Yeah, everything's going good. Yeah. Yeah. Sit back, kick up your feet, right? Because you're like, everything, I've got this, right? Guess what starts to pop in? Your ego. Your ego starts to pop in. And your ego goes, you don't need to do that stuff. You don't need to do that momentum crap anymore. You're already where you need to be. You don't need to go and do that calendar stuff. That's hogwash. You're already where you need to be. I can take over. I can take over now. And all of a sudden your ego steps in, and what before you used to let go and let God, or, pray or meditate and allow spirit to come in and, influence your life and to give you those inspiration. Now your ego starts to take over and goes, we're going to go ahead and do it the old fashioned way. We're going to do this like how we used to. Okay, so I'm going to call this person. I'm going to make sure I talk to my boss because I really want that other raise and I want that other job. And da-da-da. And all of a sudden your ego jumps in and it starts to try to take that control back over again. And as soon as it does, things and the momentum start going south again. So really be aware of that little tiny, it starts out tiny, but it really gets really huge. Again, once it gains momentum, of your ego jumping back in and trying to control and take over the situation again. And you got to remember, so your ego, who is currently in control right now, if things are not going well, then obviously the way you're going about it is not working. Therefore, you have to do different things, do different habits, so things work differently than where they're at. The definition of insanity? To expect different results when doing the same thing again and again and again. That is insanity, and that will just drive you insane. So you need to go ahead and do things different so you can actually get different results. You need to change this. You need to change this. And once these two change and they connect, man, that's when the magic works and that's the magic happens. But you got to start believing yourself. Check out the previous videos. I'll mark them up above or down below or something like that. And really start to empower yourself and really keep that ego in check. Still allow the divine to work in, because, man, that's where all the work goes. That's where all the work is happening. Don't take the work here. You'll be exhausted. You'll be overwhelmed and you'll not even know about it. I know I talked about the overwhelmedness, and I will go and post a video about that later. So really keep your ego in check, folks. And with that, I hope you guys have such a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, please, if you would, put like a 1 below if you found this helpful. I'd like to have some feedback. I get a lot of, thumbs up or likes or hearts, but give me some comments, please. I'd really like to know if this is what you need. Give me a topic. Throw me topics of what you want to talk about, and I'll help you out. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.